Well, hey there guys, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you my youngest Rensley's nursery reveal, or bedroom reveal more I'm gonna say. She is 7 months old and we are doing kind of a full-on Montessori bedroom with her. I would more so call it Montessori inspired because there definitely are some elements in here that are not typical for Montessori, but we're gonna hop into it. I'm gonna show you her space that we created for her. So walking in, the first thing that you're going to see is her cactus decal wall. So these are from Pepper Decals. She was sweet enough to gift the rainbow ones that are in my older girls room. If you missed my older girls minimalist shared room, I will link it up above, but these are from the same Etsy shop. They're super easy to do. They do take time because they're individual, but very straightforward process. And she was sweet enough to give you guys a 20% off coupon from your first purchase, so make sure you go check her out in the description box. This is just one of many. She has tons of different decal options. Then we're gonna come to her floor bed, and this is the main focal point of Montessori, and we are not doing a crib with her at all. It allows free movement. I can link down below some things for you guys about the benefits of floor beds and skipping cribs. So I'll have that for you guys. But we actually made this for her. I will have a video upcoming soon showing you exactly how to make it. So keep a lookout for that. But my husband and I spent a Saturday and made this for her. P.S. If you hear her talk yelling downstairs, she's with my husband. She's not being ignored. I think she's getting cleaned up from mealtime. And then this right here is just to prevent her from rolling out while she's sleeping, but it allows her to still have free movement when she is moving, to be able to crawl out, play with her toys if she wants to. And so it's just there for while she's sleeping, it'll keep her in. And then as we round the corner, we have Callie, and we have a play mat here, which is just for her to hang out on. And then I do have a nursing chair in here. I nurse her in the middle of the night still, so this is just to sit there and nurse her comfortably. This is her main play space. She has a Grimm stacker here. She has these stacking cups, and then these are little color sorting pots and balls. I'm missing the blue one. I used to have a blue one. My girls have played with them. They're very well loved. So moving up, we have this right here. So this you'll see is not Montessori, like having the books up, having normally all the wall decor would be at eye level. That's just something that isn't particular to my parenting style. But there are a lot of aspects of Montessori I love. There are certain ones I don't so much. But there's an air plant here, and then we have this little macrame hanger, and then this little bookshelf here, which we repurposed from her big sister who was in this room before. And then I just keep an extra passy up here, and we have these few little books here that we can switch out. When she's a little bigger and actually looking at books, then I will move like probably 2 down on top here so she can read them. Okay, so that's it for that. And then we have her closet, which does have her things in it. So her dresser fit perfectly in here, which I was real excited about. We have this over here, which that's gonna go downstairs. And then I have all her clothes that she's outgrown over there that I need to take to donate. I'll show you in those drawers in a minute. Those are just extra shelves for the IKEA Trofast systems. They're just being stored there. And then that is our pack and play. This pack and play is really cool actually because it has a bottom portion that unzips so the baby can come in and out. So I really like that, especially if you're like a Montessori fan. That is the perfect pack and play for you because you can zip it up if you need to, or leave it open if you want to let them free roam. So we cloth diaper. So I have my cloth wipes here and my DIY spray. That is for if we just like came home and I'm changing out of a disposable or whatever. We do use disposables when we're out of the house. So this first drawer is all of her bibs. Then we have like hair stuff, socks. I have burp cloths, which also could probably be donated and gotten rid of. I haven't used those in a while. And then all of her cloth diapers are right here. And this is where I keep all her clothes. I've talked about we don't fold our kids' clothes. I have a family closet video. I can link that up above. I talk more about it. I am probably going to be moving her clothes into our closet instead of leaving them in here, just because, as I said in that video, it's easier. And then down here we have some extra swaddles. This is a wearable blanket and the Merlin's Magic sleep suit, which we've used a couple times. And then down here is where I have the disposables and the extra microfiber inserts. So that is it for the space. It is minimal, it's Montessori inspired, and I'm really excited for her to be in here. She's not in here quite yet. She's still sleeping in our room at night, but she does nap in here, and she's done really well napping here the few times that she has. So if you guys have any questions about anything, check the description box. Everything should be linked there, and if it's not, leave me a comment and I will do my best to reply to you. And that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you are new, and I will see all of your wonderful faces in my next video. Bye.